Are you looking for a career that puts you in the driver's seat of the business world? Do you thrive on challenges and innovation? Then look no further than management consulting. Management consultants are the superheroes of the business world, solving complex problems and driving change for some of the biggest companies in India and beyond. As a management consultant, you'll be part of the team that works to optimize operations, identify new opportunities, and overcome challenges that stand in the way of success. You'll be working with CEOs, senior executives, and entrepreneurs to develop business strategies that drive growth and profitability. You'll have the opportunity to work on exciting projects across a range of industries, from tech startups to multinational corporations. How to become a management consultant? You'll need a strong educational background in business or a related field, but your education is just the beginning. You'll also need strong analytical skills, communication skills, and the ability to work well in a team. Whether you've studied business administration, engineering, or another relevant discipline, your education will be the foundation for your success. Working in management consulting offers a range of benefits, including the opportunity to work for some of the world's top consulting firms. Companies like McKinsey & Company, Boston Consulting Group, and Bain & Company offer competitive salaries, benefits, and professional development opportunities to help you take your career to the next level. In India, the salary for a management consultant varies depending on the firm and level of experience. Entry-level consultants can expect to earn around 6 to 10 lakhs per annum, while more experienced consultants can earn up to 25 to 30 lakhs per annum. Senior consultants and partners at top firms can earn even higher salaries, ranging from 50 to 100 lakhs per annum or more. But management consulting isn't just limited to the private sector. The Indian government also hires management consultants to work on initiatives that impact the country as a whole. You could be involved in projects aimed at improving the efficiency of government operations or implementing new policies that benefit society. In 2023, the demand for management consultants in India is expected to continue to grow. As businesses and organizations seek to stay competitive and innovative, they will increasingly turn to management consultants for expert advice. This means that as a management consultant, you'll be in high demand and have plenty of opportunities for growth and advancement. In conclusion, management consulting is an exhilarating and dynamic career option in India in 2023. You'll have the chance to work with some of the biggest and most innovative companies in the world, make a real impact on society, and take your career to new heights. If you're up for a challenge and ready to help businesses achieve their goals, consider a career in management consulting.